This review is of Simply Nature organic chocolate chip soft baked mini cookies. They are vegan, dairy-free, kosher, so they're safe for Jews and Muslims, gluten-free, non-GMO, and that's probably it. Oh, and they're free from over 125 artificial ingredients and preservatives. Here we go with the nutrition facts. 140 calories per pouch, 7 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, which would be from palm fruit oil and cocoa butter. Darn it. No trans fats or cholesterol, 80 milligrams of sodium, 17 grams of carbs, of which 1 are dietary fiber, and 8 are added sugars, and 1 gram of protein. And there are the ingredients. And of course, this is an Aldi product. Or distributed by Aldi, anyways. So there are 5 pouches in here. You can put it in your kid's lunch bag or your husband or wife's lunchbox or, whatever. Whatever you want to do with it. You are free to choose. And they look like that. Very soft. I'm not impressed. Okay, so if you eat these with the hope that they're going to taste like a regular chocolate chip cookie, the fact that they say gluten-free should be a clue to you that they're not gonna. They're gonna taste different. And when I first pulled one up, it looked like it wasn't cooked. Probably because of all the oil that's in here. Yeah. So I'll give these a 5. I'm not gonna get them again. If you can't tolerate gluten, then they're probably gonna be a good choice for you. But adjust your mind to the possibility that they're not gonna taste like what you expect. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.